Hi, this tutorial video is for the water heater room. In the event that a guest complains that there is no hot water running, first thing you should do is go to their room and let the water run either in the shower or in the sink, which one they are complaining about, and confirm that there is no water running. Afterwards, let the guests know that you will be submitting a maintenance ticket. Before you submit a maintenance ticket, do come up to the water heater room, which is located on the second floor. You want to confirm that the water heater screen is displaying 120 degrees Fahrenheit. If the screen is not displaying 120 degrees Fahrenheit, you want to take a picture and attach that picture to your maintenance ticket when you submit it. That way our maintenance team knows that it is not displaying 120 and that it's a water heater issue. If the water heater display is displaying 120 degrees, then you still want to take a picture and attach it to your maintenance ticket. That way, maintenance team knows that the hot water issue is about the room, not the water heater. And make sure that you close the door completely before you go. You don't have to use the key.